Welcome to 101 Ways to Transform the Way You Cook. This is episode 9 and we're going to talk about inviting. I'll read to you a little bit on the ebook and then we'll discuss a little bit together. So, the best place to start is where here and now. Ring a friend, invite them into your domain. If you don't have anyone, join a group, join a club. There's so many ways. There's so many things. Don't let things stop in you. Human connection is number one. Without that, we die. We are connected from the moment that we're actually conceived to our mother's womb. Come on. There's so many ways that today, technology, I know we're in COVID and I'm doing this through lockdown, but I still communicate. I ring a friend up, Messenger, FaceTime, Zoom meetings. No excuse, okay? No excuse. Stepping out of our comfort zone and putting myself out there is a great way to start. Vulnerability is a great place to start, as we seldom don't realize that by being vulnerable, we can use it for our own benefit. It's not about letting people see us. It's about letting people in. Being connected means we are alive. So this one, episode 9, is about inviting. There's nothing more beautiful than being invited to someone's home, into their domain, and being cooked by that person. You know, it just makes life just, wow, I've got a day, an hour, a couple hours free, and I'm going to go and we're going to eat and doesn't matter what the food is, but it's about inviting. It's about letting people into your space and showing them that you need them. We are human beings. We need that interaction today. Without interaction, we become stale. We've stunted. We can't grow. We need people. Human connection is the most powerful thing on this earth. Without human connection, we starve, we die. Remember, your friends, your family, they're all there, part of your life. They're part of your journey. I don't know what I'd be like without my brother, without my children, without my husband, without my friends. Every one of them plays a part in my life, in my journey of life. And when I have them over, or even just going and having a cup of coffee with somebody, it means I'm taking time out of my day and I'm saying, stop. I want to enjoy the moment. I just had something to eat with my husband and we had some sausages in that wood fire oven. I can't tell you how long it's been since I've done something like that. It took COVID for me to just stop. I know I've been going on other areas, but it's been fun. Just not worrying about being in a commercial kitchen all day long and cooking. I need that human interaction. I don't know about you, but human interaction for me is so important. It just says that I'm human. I'm human. I need people. I need to converse. I need to communicate. I need to connect. And most of all, it teaches me to collaborate. You know, that, as I said, vulnerability can be a good thing because it's connecting and being human. Vulnerable, you know, there's that Brene Brown. She talks about vulnerability. You know, she's a researcher and that I'm not any of that. But being vulnerable means I'm real, means I'm connected, means there's something, my soul is telling me that I need people. I need to interact. I'm lonely. Why am I lonely? Because I need people. You know, we all need that interaction. So don't waste another moment. This is part of being a great cook, becoming, allowing people into your space. That's so important because you're allowing them in, and it stretches your personality, stretches your character. And then you get to be who you are, which is important in life. We need to become and grow. We are human. I keep saying that, I'm sorry, but we are human beings. You know, I look reflecting a lot about, as I said, you know, we were in our mother's womb, interacted already. That's why we're missing sometimes when we're not connecting with humans. We can sit and watch television and let it numb, but human connection and interaction is the most important part of becoming a great cook, which is important. Being connected is the last few words in the sentence, means we are alive. Every day we get up, every morning we get up. There is not one day that we don't get up. It means that we are alive. We're here. We get to spend another day on this beautiful earth that we have, which is so important. And what we get to do with our day. We can be flooded with priorities and things that we think that we need, but most of all, we need that human interaction. That is what being a great cook is about. Interacting with other human beings, with other people that are part of our journey in life. Cooking for them or them cooking for you. You get to taste different palates because every character and every human being brings along with them something to the table that is different. They might have a different zest or a different spice that you have, and you get to taste that. And that makes you grow and allows you to grow and become a better cook. You get to go to different restaurants or taste from different chefs, and you get to taste what their palate is about. They get to share with you what they love. It is portraying what they love through food, which makes you become a better cook. So keep joining me, subscribe to my YouTube channel, listen to my podcasts, follow me on Instagram. I would love to keep sharing the knowledge that I have of my whole life. And I keep learning so much. I never, ever, ever stop. My mum used to say, "O vecchia aveva 100 anni e ancora si insegnava." Means the old man was 100 years old and he never stopped learning. So join me on 101 Ways to Transform the Way You Cook. Ciao.